Hello, we are at 435 43rd Avenue, and this is apartment 205. Nice large one-bedroom unit here on the second floor of the building. Okay, so coming in the front door of the unit, there's an intercom. This is a coat closet. And also there is a pantry. Has the breaker box for the unit as well. Coming into the kitchen, lots of cabinet space, granite countertops, have a refrigerator, and we have an electric stove. The prior tenant left a microwave. It's in excellent condition, so I left it here in case anyone wants to use it. Okay, more cabinets over here. Dining area. And the apartment faces east. We're looking out onto 43rd, and we're on 43rd at Geary. Okay, Sutro Tower out there in the distance. There's a fire escape here accessible off of the dining area windows. Heater for this room. Okay, nice big living room. Okay, beige carpet throughout. There's the heater for the living room, and incidentally the thermostat. Okay, one full bath. There we go. Shower over tub. Tile floor here in the bathroom. Towel bar. And then this does slide. A little bit of storage in there as well. Okay. Hi, everyone. Okay, moving on to the bedroom. I say this bedroom would fit a king or a queen size bed. There's the bedroom heater. Okay, nice big double closet with mirrored closet doors. Okay, this building does have shared coin-operated washer-dryer, and the unit does come with a parking spot in the shared carport. So if you're interested, please visit our website to see information on the next virtual open house by Zoom. Okay, thanks for watching.